How to fix YouTube monetization option not showing. So guys, today I woke up very early in the morning, checked my YouTube studio to see the analytics, and surprisingly when I checked on the content list, I didn't see the monetization option. So at first I was shocked. I thought I had been demonetized because all the videos didn't have the monetization feature enabled. So now I was panicking because on the dashboard I could see my estimated revenue. So what I did, I first had to go to check my email to see if I'd received any message that I had been demonetized. But I checked my email, I didn't see anything like any demonetization update. So now what I did, what you can do, because I think this is happening to everyone, you first have to make sure that you update both YouTube and then YouTube Studio. In order to do so, you go up and then you search for YouTube and then you update it. So after updating the YouTube app, you make sure that you also update the YouTube Studio app. So having done that, you go to your home screen and then open your phone settings. So you open your phone settings, then you select apps and notifications. Then you select YouTube Studio. Then under storage, you clear cache and you also clear storage. So having done that, hopefully this can be fixed. So I've made this video first of all to alert you that you're not the only one experiencing, you're not demonetized. This is happening to everyone. So subscribe for more. I'll be bringing more updates. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.